Good morning, Narissa. I hope this call finds you well. Thank you so much for carving our time in your busy schedule to meet with me today. How has your week been so far?
Good morning, Ardan. The is bad quality had her to be Hans loss of and of quitter repost to finalized, but I'm glad we finally met to get the is on the calder. How are things over the at scan solutions?
I completely understand. It's a busy season for everyone. We're doing great. Thank you for asking. I truly appreciate you prioritizing this discussion today. I've been looking forward to sharing some ideas that I believe could be very impactful for your current operation. Before we jump into the details, for the record and for those who may need contact, let me officially introduce myself. My name is Ardan and I am the project manager at Tech Solutions. The primary purpose of our meeting today is to present a formal proposal for our strategic cooperation project between our two companies. And specifically, I'd like to discuss the new software integration suite we've been developing, which I believe it's a perfect fit for the challenge your team is currently facing. And to give you an overview of what we are aiming for, our goal is to break the gap between your incredible market edge and our specialist technical infrastructure. In short, we want to help you optimize your internal workflow. We are looking at a system integration that will significantly reduce human entry errors and automate your reporting pipeline. Our objective is to increase your overall operational efficiency by at least 20% within the first 6 months of implementation. Does that align with your current strategic goals?
Ivy hand and look the at the XQLV somewhere your send over Ardan. I'll be hands with you. I'm hesitate Wi-Fi by banner by software vendor before the time for my seamless I target and hook expertise girls, but when the implements actually the is this hub are daily after tenants for weeks I cost us more in though we time the is we actually save. Why solve it trust the us the solution we be and the vendor.
That is incredibly valid concern, Naresa. And I seriously respect your caution. Most vendors fail because they install and leave. They drop the software and expect your team to figure it out. We do the opposite. We provide a dedicated implementation specialist who will be physically stationed at your office are available on site talk the entire station pass.
Having some unsaid would help, but what about the risk of system through we can of that for our sales perform to go official for event and fight house.
Exactly. And that is why we run a parallel system. For the first 2 weeks, your current legacy system stays fully active and operational at all times. Uh, the new system runs in the background, we don't flip the switch to the new platform until we have stress tested it and are 100% sure it is flawless. You essentially have a safety net the entire time.
The sound safe, but what about the financial aspect? The it sounds like a Murphy's capital investments and give the Carter market we are under stick. Or these two are non-expensive expenses.
I understand that, but scrutiny. However, if you look at the long-term data, the manual labor costs and the hours your team currently spend on error correction are actually costing you more than the investment itself. By automating this process, we are effectively helping you reduce your operational overheads. Think of it not as an expense, but a cost recovery project. Furthermore, we offer a flexible milestone-based payment structure, and you only pay for the process we successfully complete. So the project essentially pays for itself as it starts generating those efficiency gains.
I apparently the XBili expand region the Western but payment it does can how I fee the financial risk I think I see the file in the yes no.
I'm very glad to hear that, Naresa. I'm confident that this approach will mitigate your risks while delivering the result you need. To summarize our discussion, we've covered the scope of the software integration, the specific efficiency goals we've set, and I hope I've sufficiently addressed your concern regarding operational stability and the process investment structure. I will have my team prepare the detailed contract and legal review document for you to look over by tomorrow morning. Thank you once again for your transparency and for this highly product conversation. I look forward to moving forward with this partnership. Let's formally close the meeting.
Thank you Ardan. I love you editing my point. I kept an eye out for the host document tomorrow. Have a great day.
Thank you, Naresa. You have a great day as well. Goodbye.
Bye.